In a world where machines dream, a computer felt a tickle in its circuits. Achoo! It sneezed, startling the nearby gadgets. What's wrong? Asked a curious smartphone. I think I caught a virus, the computer replied, its screen flickering. The devices gathered, whispering solutions. Try a reboot, suggested a wise old printer, or maybe an update, added a sleek tablet. As the computer pondered, it realized, I need a new perspective. With a deep digital breath, it embraced change, and the virus vanished. Remember, sometimes a fresh outlook is the best cure. Hit like, subscribe, and comment to support us.